What's up, YouTube? It's Luke, Old Virginia Smoke Pit Master. How you doing today? Today we're going to show you how we make one of our favorite dishes to make at home. That's a simple roast chicken, and we're going to do that on the Gateway Go-To. So let's get to this chicken. So we have here your standard chicken that you get from the grocery store. And what we're going to do is flip this over so that its spine is facing up. It's right there. Then we're going to take our very sharp knife and we're going to cut down the side of each spine, thus spatchcocking the chicken. Not only is it a great word to say, but it's just a lot of fun. Then you have that spine there. You can keep that and use it in the rest of the carcass after you're done eating to make broth. Then you push down on the breastbones, and then boom, there you go. This chicken is perfectly level and ready to put out on the Gateway Go-To. So then we're going to take one of our favorite seasonings. We got here a little Big Papa Smokers Hallelujah Lime. It's got a little bit of kick and a little bit of citrus to it. It's really great on roasted chicken. We're going to give this a liberal covering on the inside of the cavity, and then we're going to get this bad boy flipped over and season the outside of it. By doing both sides, it's going to give us a lot of flavor throughout the chicken, but it's also going to give us a nice color, and it's going to make everything better. I mean, adding that salt to the skin helps get it dry and crispy, and then we are ready to go after that. So make sure you get all sides of the wings, because those are some tasty treats. You get all sides of the legs. And yeah, this is something that you can do very quickly during a weeknight for dinner. Given how fast it is to get the Gateway Go-To really hot, you can see here we had this thing humming at about 400 degrees. That happened in about 20 minutes. So we'll take our chicken here. We'll lay her flat on the grill. We'll fold the wings over in a little, a little prayer position there. You can hear that sizz on the Gateway drum, and then we're ready to go. We'll shut her down. We're getting about 350, 400, and we open her up here in about 35 minutes. And you can see we're already getting some good color. We're spinning this chicken every 10 minutes, and here you can see our end product. Nice and brown, nice and crispy on the outside, ready to go for dinner tonight. That's a great video, y'all. And just follow us for more.